Join me as I take on the challenge of surviving on just $6.67 a day for an entire week. Can I make it work?
This experiment is more than just a quirky idea. I wanted to see what it really means to live on such a tight budget.
With rising living costs, many people find themselves in tough financial situations. Could I uncover some tricks for making it work, or would I feel completely deprived? The goal wasn't just about self-control, but to genuinely immerse myself in this experience. To kick things off, I dove into research. I explored affordable food options and budget-friendly meal ideas. I hit up local grocery stores, checked flyers, and even scoured some online forums for tips. A lot of people suggested ramen, beans, and a few canned goods. The challenge was to creatively combine them, making sure I got my daily nutrients. Sticking to $6.67 felt impossible at times, especially when I kept realizing the unexpected costs, like needing basic spices to keep my meals from tasting like cardboard. Shopping day came, and I felt the weight of my budget. Walking through the aisles, I had to really think about what I put in my cart. I found a few staples that would carry me through the week, like rice and frozen veggies. I snagged some eggs for protein, hoping they'd help keep me full longer. My heart raced a bit as I calculated everything, and it was nerve-wracking to see the total at checkout. That moment showed me that this wasn't just a numbers game, but a genuine lifestyle challenge. One particular day stood out during the week. I remember sitting down to eat what felt like my 100th bowl of rice and beans. It hit me that while the food was decent, my mood began to dip. As I felt the weight of hunger creeping in, I stumbled upon a secondhand cookbook at home, which had some simple recipes. A light bulb moment sparked, and I found ways to mix things up. Suddenly, rice with sautéed veggies seemed like a gourmet meal. As the week dragged on, I had to adapt my approach. I learned to pay attention to how food impacted my energy and mood. My body craved variety, and I had to find that within my limited budget. I got creative with seasoning and exploring new combinations, which not only made things tastier but also kept my spirits up. Though I felt physically drained at times, I found joy in cooking and experimenting with what I had. Reflecting on the overall experience, I can't ignore the emotional roller coaster it created. It pushed me outside my comfort zone and opened my eyes to the challenges many face. Living on such a limited budget is no easy feat, yet it's a real daily struggle for many people out there. I walked away feeling more appreciative of what I have. But is it feasible long-term? I realized it's possible, but my quality of life would be affected. Much would hinge on circumstances beyond my control, like price spikes and availability of food options. What do you think? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this challenge, make sure to subscribe for more budget-related content. And don't forget to check out the next video where I tackle another intriguing challenge.